Have you ever been to a rocket festival? We've just come through for Yasothon's Bun Bang Fai rocket festival, which is classed as the biggest and the most famous rocket festival in Isan. Getting accommodation was a little bit difficult because we had it booked well in advance. They say the numbers can be upwards of 150,000 turning up at this festival. So we're just a little bit out of the city and we've picked this resort here, which we managed to get a room. Nice looking resort and unusual shaped buildings. We get a roundhouse.
Unusual, but very nice. Not me, the room. Shall we go? You can hear the rockets going off in the background.
Bun Bang Fai. This isn't just a festival for having a bit of fun by launching rockets and having a great time enjoying ourselves. It is steeped in Thai and Laos mythology and is presumed to have been around since before the 9th century. Here's my short version of the myth from what I've been seeing since I got here. The sky god Praetain was angry at humans because he thought they had forgotten about him. So he stopped sending the rain to the earth, causing a severe drought for years and creating great hardship for the humans and the animals. The Toad King, who was an incarnation of Bodhisattva, which is a Buddha to be, who has delayed reaching nirvana through compassion for the suffering of beings. He led his army to the heavens to wage war against the sky god, and using clever tactics he defeated the sky god. They agreed a pact that whenever humans need rain, they will launch homemade bamboo rockets known as Bang Fai as a reminder to the sky god to send the rain. And when the frogs croak, the sky god will know the rain has reached the ground. And when the kite strings sing in the winter wind, Praetain must stop the rain, hence the wonderful dry winters that Isan has. So every May, to honour the treaty across the northeastern Thailand and Laos, the rockets are sent during the Bun Bang Fai festival. The curiosity in here lets me enjoy the stories behind the festivals, etc., as much as the celebrations themselves. I always think it's good to know a bit more about what it's all about. Day one's more about the getting the floats ready for the parade in day two, and they also get all the stages set up for day one's night time, and there's a lot of music and something to look forward to. It should be very busy. I'm looking forward to it. I've never been to anything this big before. day 2 of the Rocket Festival. Bit of food first, then we'll go for a tour and see what we see.
I sent to you.
day of the rocket festival, and we've arrived on site nice and early, so we just have to hang about now, wait for lunchtime, see how that goes. I hope you found some interest in my video and finding out a little bit about what Bun Bang Fai is actually all about. And hopefully you'll come back and see me again sometime. Thank you, bye bye.